I'm I'm gonna do a cover remix to Marvin's Room by Drake, and my name is Ariel, and I'm about to do the cover of it. So yeah, it's gonna be short. To all them niggas, us girls don't ask for much. We just wanna be loved and taken care of. You don't gotta have the fancy cars. You don't have to live so far. You don't have to be rich. Yeah, yeah. We want so bad. If you ain't committed, then you ain't even worth all that. Us girls might be unfair at a point. For us loyal and faithful ones, you can give us a chance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I'm just saying, y'all can do better. But I'm just saying, y'all could do better. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That y'all can do better. Us females, we got the same mind. We think at the same time. We feel the same pain when we get our heart broken. We in the same lane. It doesn't matter who you hurt. If you hurt that one girl, and you try to holler at another one, they not gonna give you a chance. Only 'cause they think you might hurt them like you did the other one. Yeah, yeah. For all you niggas that want a loyal girl, you need to do what's right and make that girl your world. If you love her, you like her, you would do anything. You don't gotta be famous, you don't gotta be rich, just show her a few things. Yeah, 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 yeah. But I'm just saying, guys, you can do better. I'm just saying, guys, you can do better. And I'm just saying, y'all can do better. Yeah. We don't ask for too much. All we ask is for you to be faithful and committed and love us like you do. We don't expect you to be perfect. I don't expect you, but you gotta be worth it. I don't want you to break my heart. If you do, we'll be apart. I'm just saying, 'cause this time most females be feeling it's just real, so take it in deep. It don't even matter, but when we sleep, we think about the next nigga. We think how he gon' treat us in that. We think how he gon' be when we with him. And he don't gotta be all that good. He just gotta be loyal. All them niggas that they want us so bad. When we give them a chance, they always ruin that. But for some of y'all, I gotta give you props. You do your hardest in a relationship, and that's all I ask. Yeah, 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 yeah. But some of you niggas, y'all can do better. For some of y'all females, we can do better. Yeah, 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 yeah. But I'm just saying we can all do better. Yeah, 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 yeah.